I think the wing's too big.
Ooh. 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 Okay then.
Gabriel, my friend. I'm so sorry.
So that's interesting though, isn't it? That's interesting. I mean, I pulled some G with it, but I didn't know no expectation that that would happen. This wing is probably 40 years old. If not, no, it's probably 50 years old. Because my dad built this glider. This was Slingsby Capstan, and you can see there's no central spar in it. It's just entirely reliant on the skin, the Beishi, this wood skin, and it's split where the aileron cut into it. So you've got a nice square cut in there, stress razor. Well, I'm very glad that happened here rather than at the show. So it's not a disaster, is it? Because
We have another plane.
well, we've got another plane, but actually you were going to put the motor on the front of this, weren't you?
Yeah, we were. Although the front is in pieces.
Yeah, but we can build another fuselage dead quick. That's not a problem. That's all expendable. You've got your main bits. The motor's okay because it was at the back. Your booms, well, you probably don't need them, do you? If you're going to stick the motor at the front. Battery, I think that's terminal.
Well, you can see where the weak point was.
I don't think that's going back in the house. And you got all your bolts.
We got the 3 bolts.
Got 3 bolts.
Right, we ready then? Everybody shooting?
Yep.
Right, take it off. Look at that. It's not bad. It's faster than the Gabriel.